The Chief Executive Officer of the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, Peter Thompson, is warning agriculturists and stakeholders to take a proactive approach in addressing the issue of climate change. He was speaking at a recent workshop on accelerating the adoption of climate-smart agriculture in Jamaica. It was held at the Spanish Court Hotel in New Kingston earlier this week.
We as agriculturalists and stakeholders, we have to put measures in place and be proactive in addressing the issue of climate change.
That warning from the CEO of Rural Agriculture Development Authority, RADA, Peter Thompson. It follows a bad situation that appears to be getting worse. Proliferation of bushfires wreaking havoc on farms, especially in St. Mary. Mr. Thompson says the damage caused by a compilation of drought and bushfires amounts to more than $400 million.
Based on statistics from the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, between 1994 and 2010, we have lost in excess of $14 billion damage. Well, when I'm speaking about loss to the agriculture sector, in terms of weather events, be it drought, be it bushfires, and be it flooding.
He further explains that by 2030, the mean temperature is expected to increase by 0.47 to 1.17 degrees.
If we are experiencing these high temperatures now, sweating, then just imagine 10, 20 years down the line, it is going to be serious. I was reading a World Bank report recently, and it states that by 2050, 50% of the arable agricultural lands will become desert if we don't put the necessary systems in place to address that.
With these concerns, Mr. Thompson suggests water harvesting to help tackle challenges of climate change.
Nothing is wrong with the black tank program, but colleagues, we have to move away from the black tank program and look at more sustainable way of harnessing water and preserving it for future use.
RADA has done an assessment of all the catchment areas in Jamaica and says the cost to rehabilitate them is approximately $200 million. Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.